Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Royal Defence Academy, the best free learning platform for your Sainik school, military school and REM's entrance exam coaching. So if you want to build your career as an army officer, a proud army officer, do join Royal Defence Academy and subscribe to our channel. So today I am here with English topic that is a pronoun. The pronoun, what do you mean by pronoun? Pronoun is one of the part of speech which we use in a sentence. Pronoun we use in our day-to-day life in Hindi as well as in English. In Hindi we call it sarvanam and in English it is pronoun. So pronoun is basically a word which is used in place of a noun. First of all, a noun is a naming word used to name a person, place, animal, thing or idea. The pronoun is used in place of a noun to avoid the repetition of noun. When we speak about a single topic, for example, when we are writing an essay on best friend, then instead of repeating the name of your best friend, you can use he or she instead of repeating the name whatever it is. So in case of repetition of noun, the matter doesn't sound good. So to avoid that repetition, we use pronoun. So pronouns are broadly used in a sentence to avoid the repetition of a noun. Now basically we are having majorly 9 types of pronoun. Apart from this, there are 2 more types that are different category, which is subjective and objective pronoun. Now today we are focusing on the main 4 types of pronoun, that is personal, reflexive, reciprocal, relative, demonstrative, indefinite, interrogative, distributive and possessive. First of all, what is personal pronoun? When we refer to a person specifically, when we refer to a person, special person, a group in specific, that is a personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is again categorized into 3 people, that is first person, second person and third person. First person is the speaker, the one who is speaking the sentence, that is I and we. And the second person is the listener, who is listening what you are talking, that is you, your and yours. Third person is our topic of the conversation, the topic about we are talking. For example, he, she, it and they. We talk about these 4 things. We are not talking to them. They are not talking. We are talking about them. That is, they are the topic of our conversation. So personal pronoun refers to a specific person, object or a group. It has 3, and first of all, object, it refers it. It is a third person and only it is used for non-living things, trees and animals. First person, second person and third person. First person is speaker, second person is listener and third person is topic of conversation. Second pronoun is reflexive pronoun. When the pronoun ends with self and selves, it is called as reflexive pronoun. When the subject and object of the sentence are same, that is the doer of the action and the object that is acted upon are same. Subject is a doer of the action and objects are things upon which we are acting. So object and subject both are same. That case is of reflexive pronoun. For plural we use self. For singular we use self. For example, herself, himself, themselves, ourselves. These all are reflexive pronoun. When you are doing the action and when you are doing the action upon yourself, that is called reflexive pronoun. Now the third is reciprocal pronoun. There are only 2 topics in your syllabus, that is one another and each other and one another. There are 2 parts, that is one another and each other. These 2 are very, for example, I am pushing something and someone is pushing myself. Someone is pushing me. I am pushing her, she is pushing me. The action is done on both of us and both of us are doing action. So both of us are object, both of us are subject. Means there are 2 subjects, there are 2 objects. One person is a subject as well as object. The action is done on me as well as I am doing the action. So reciprocal pronoun are each other and one another. Third is relative pronoun. First of all, clause and phrase. If you know clause and phrase, and if you don't know, first let me tell you, clause are complete sentence which we can remove from a sentence and they have a meaning. But phrase are incomplete sentence. If we will remove them from a sentence, then they will become meaningless or incomplete. That are phrases. Clauses are complete, phrases are incomplete. Both of them are part of sentences. Clause can form an independent sentence as well. Now, relative pronoun. Relative pronoun is used to join the subject to a, that is a noun, to a clause or a phrase. When we are joining a subject that is a noun to a clause or a phrase, it is called relative pronoun. For example, this is the boy who won the match. This is the teacher who teaches us English. Here the who is relative pronoun only. The who, whom, whose, all of these are relative pronouns. Next is demonstrative pronoun. When we point out something using our finger, for example, this is my book, that is my pen, we use relative pronouns. We are basically demonstrating, we are basically pointing out. There are basically 4 types of demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, those. This and that are used for singular object, that, these and those are used for plural object. That and those are used for far object. This and these are used for near objects. These 4 are used in separate sentences separately. Next is indefinite pronoun. It refers to a person in a general way. Just like common, we have studied common noun. Just like common noun, it is working similar way. When we are not using a specific number like 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to infinity. When you are not using a specific number, we are only having an idea, many, anyone, someone, neither. All of these are called as indefinite pronoun. We don't know the specific number, we are only having an idea. This is a case of indefinite pronoun. Many, somebody, nobody, anyone, either, neither, someone, everyone. All of the persons are included, but we don't know how many. It is an indefinite number. Next is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative word is used many times. Now, interrogative pronoun is the questions which are asked about the pronoun, the noun. When the question is asked about the noun, when we are making query or question about the noun, it is interrogative pronoun. For example, if I will answer who stole my pen, the who will be replaced by a name which is a noun. That's why who is a pronoun. Pronoun are basically words which are used in place of a noun. So I am using who in place of a name. So interrogative pronouns are who, what, whose, whom, etc. Now 8th one is distributive pronoun. When I am talking about each and everything with reference to my point of view, specifically, I am talking about each and every person present specifically. That case is distributive pronoun. For example, someone is distributing the chocolate to everyone present in this class. For example, a person is distributing chocolates on his birthday and he is distributing the chocolate to every student in the class. Means each and every student is considered, not even a single student is left. That is the case of distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun takes each and every pronoun every pronoun as well as noun specifically. Now the last one is possessive pronoun, and the most popular pronoun is possessive pronoun. This pronoun indicates the possession or ownership. The one who is owner, you will use this pronoun. This pronoun is used for a person who is owning something, who is the owner of something. For example, this pen is mine. This pen is mine. This pen is mine means I am the owner of this pen. Mine is possessive pronoun. This is your book. The book belongs to you. Your is possessive pronoun. This is their house. Their is possessive pronoun. The house belongs to they. So possessive pronoun indicate ownership and possession. Their, mine, her, our, yours, etc. Possessive pronouns are used for different personal pronouns. For example, for he, we use his. For she, we use her. For they, we use their. For you, we use yours and your. For I, we use mine. For we use our. So these are the basic possessive pronouns that are indicating possession or ownership. So we are having mostly the 9 types of pronoun. Apart from this, there are 2 more pronouns, that is objective and subjective pronoun. Both of them are falling into different category. These 9 pronouns also consist of 2 types of pronoun. We can also classify these 9 pronouns into 2 more pronouns, that is subjective and objective. When a pronoun is acting as a subject, it is called subjective pronoun. When a pronoun is acting as an object, it is called as objective pronoun. So basically, we are having 11 types of pronoun. We have completed almost 9 types of pronoun. So that's it for this video. I hope you understood the brief introduction to the chapter pronoun. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.